Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech24. Today we have something truly special for you, the ISA Knox LXNEW Royal Golden Skincare Gift Set. This luxurious gift set is designed to rejuvenate and bring youthful radiance to your skin. With Korean skincare expertise by LG Beauty, this set is truly a game changer. THEISA Knox LXNEW Royal Golden Skincare Set includes the Royal Golden Toner, Emulsion, and Cream, as well as a complimentary gua sha. The power of Royal Complex, featuring Royal Pentapeptide and Royal Jelly formula, provides skin rejuvenating benefits, while Gold-infused elegance and 9 plant-derived ingredients offer a comprehensive skincare experience. Founded in 1995, ISA Knox has been a pioneer in the skincare industry, revolutionizing aging solutions with proven results. As a part of LG Hampage, this set brings you effective skincare products with patented ingredients and the forefront of science, technology, and expertise. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the luxury and effectiveness of the ISA Knox LXNEW Royal Golden Skincare Gift Set. So why wait? Click the link in the description to elevate your skincare routine and bring new life to your skin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and recommendations.